Hello guys, welcome back again to Bertronics TV. Alright, let's talk about voltage divider and current divider. Now, pwede nyo itanong, kailan tayo magkakaroon ng voltage divider and current divider? So first, these are the condition. A voltage divider can be obtained from a series connection like this one. R1, R2 is in series. On the other hand, current divider can be obtained from a parallel connection. As you can see in here, R1 and R2 are two elements in parallel. Now, let's have some simple discussion kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng formula ng voltage divider and current divider. Unang-una, dito sa ating series circuit, okay, pareho ang ating current. What do we mean by pareho ang ating current? Yung aking, for example, I in, alright, ay siya ring dadaan, tatawagin ko tong aking current na dadaan sa R1 as I1, and then, yung I1 na yan, lalabas sa R1 and parehong-pareho rin yan na lalabas para dun sa ating I2 na magpo-flow naman sa ating R2. So we can say that I in, right, equal to I1 and then equal to I2. Now, alam naman natin by Ohm's law, okay, that we have by Ohm's law, we have B is equal to IR and then I is equal to B over R. Okay? So, ganyan lang kadali ang ating Ohm's law. So, therefore, yung aking I in will be B in all over R in or tatawagin natin R total. And then, yung aking I1 will become whatever is the voltage drop across this R1. Alright? Yan yung magiging voltage divided by R1. Yan yung magiging current natin. Alright? And then, we have, again, R2 at dadaanan ng I2. So, ang ating I2 will become voltage drop across R2 divided by the R2. Alright? So, dito makikita rin natin no, na ang voltage natin, ang total voltage natin, B in will be equivalent to our B1 plus our B2. Kaya siya tinawag na voltage divider. And dapat ang makukuha natin na V1, i-add natin sa B2 ay mag-i-equate sa B in. Otherwise, mali yung ating solution. Alright. So, ano pa yung pwede natin gawin dito? Makukuha rin natin yung ating R total. Okay? R total. And as we all know, yung ating connection ngayon ay series. So, from the previous na video about series and parallel resistor, R in series is just the summation of the resistors in series. So, we have R1 dito, tsaka R2. So, R1 plus R2. So, therefore, pwede na ako ngayon kumuha ng B1 or B2. Dahil alam ko na rin naman yung aking B in, alam ko din yung aking R total. So, let's say I want to get B2. B2 is the voltage drop, okay? Voltage drop, alright, across R2. Okay? So, we have B2, ang sabi natin dito, all over R2 ay yung ating current. And then, equal din daw yan sa ating B in all over the R total, which is R1 plus R2. So, from that, makukuha na agad natin yung ating V2, which is just equal to B2. Ilalabas ko lang sa ating B in para lahat ng matitira sa in close parenthesis ay puro resistors. No? So, R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So, this is the voltage divider formula when you want no, to compute yung ating drop dito sa ating R2 o B sub 2. Okay? Doon naman tayo sa voltage drop dito sa ating R1. So, and that would be equating yung current I1 natin dun sa ating I in. So, that is equivalent to B1 all over R1 equal to our B in all over R total, which is R1 plus R2. In here, makikita na agad natin no, na ang ating B1 ay equivalent to, sorry, this is a B in, right? And ang ating B1 ay equivalent to B in, ilalabas ko uli, and enclosed by parentheses are R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So guys, this is the voltage drop across R1. Alright? So this is yung way ng pagkuha natin ng mga voltage across element. And again, B1 plus B2 is equals to Bin. Right? Ulit. B1 plus B2, B1, B2 equals to Bin. So pag mali yung sagot natin at hindi sila equal, ibig sabihin may mali tayong nagawa sa ating solution. So dito naman tayo pumunta sa current divider. Ano naman ang meron sa current divider? Kung kanina, ang sabi natin, ang equal natin ay current, ngayon naman sa current divider, ang equal natin ay voltage. So I can say that Bin equal to voltage across R1 equal to voltage across B2. Now, ano yung ating Vin? Okay? Yung Vin natin ay ang ating, let's say I have In times our R total. Right? And then yung ating B1 will be the current flowing dun sa ating R1 and multiplied with the R1. Yung ating namang B2 is yung ating current na nagpo-flow, right, sa ating R2, which is I2, and then multiplied with R2. So, yan yung gagamitin natin formula. Again, ito yung mga current na yon. This is I2, this is I1, and we have in here In. Right? So, sa parallel, again, equal ang voltages, and from here, we can have some formula derivation. But by the way, ano nga pala ang ating R total dito? So, from the previous video, ang makikita nyo dito ngayong connection natin ay parallel, di ba? So, ang ating R total dito will be R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-equate natin itong Bin equals to B1 or kaya Bin equals to B2 para makuha ko natin yung ating mga current, no? And then, for example, I want to get yung ating I2. So, meron ako ditong B2 equal to Bin, let's say. Right? And B2, from this formula, yan, ay I2R2. And yung ating Bin is equals to In times the R total. Alright? So, let's go. B2 is I2R2. And then Bin is In times our R total na R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Yan. Right? So, makakancel natin dito yung ating R2. Pag divide natin both side by R2. And ang matitira sa ating left side of the equation is just I2 equivalent to In R1 all over R1 plus R2. Ito ang ating current na dumadaan dito sa ating I2. Sa ating R2, okay? Dito naman sa I1, pwede ko rin gamitin yung equality na B1 equal to Bin. Wherein yung B1 natin, as we all know, is I1 R1 equivalent to Bin, which is In times the R total, no? In times the R total na R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So in here, we can cancel yung R1 from the both side of the equations when we divide, no, by R1. And ang matitira natin dito sa left side is just I1 equivalent to I1 In multiplied with the quantity R2 all over R1 plus R2. Yan. So this is our current divider formula pag given tayo ng parallel connection. And makikita nyo rito, no, i-observe lang natin. Pag sa voltage divider, kung saan ka kumukuha ng voltage, let's say B2, ang nasa numerator mo ay R2. Let's say B1 ang kinukuha mo, ang nasa numerator mo ay R1. Dito naman sa current divider, baliktad, mapapansin nyo lang, no? Pag I2 kinukuha mo, yung nasa numerator mo ay R1. And then pag I1 naman ang kinukuha mo, ang nasa numerator mo naman ay R2 sa formula nila. Okay, now we are ready for example.